Today, we're diving into the world of Android optimization with a spotlight on the top 3 junk cleaner apps. Let's explore the unique features and benefits of each app to help you make the best choice for your needs. Phone Cleaner Master. Phone Cleaner Master is a powerful tool designed to optimize your phone's performance by effectively cleaning junk files, cache, and residual data. With its user-friendly interface, users can easily navigate through the app to free up storage space quickly. Additionally, it includes features such as a battery saver and memory booster, which help enhance overall device efficiency. This app is particularly beneficial for users who frequently install and uninstall applications, as it helps manage leftover files and improve speed, ensuring a smoother user experience. Ora Security Cleaner. Ora Security Cleaner combines junk cleaning with robust security features, making it a comprehensive solution for Android users. In addition to removing unnecessary files, this app scans for malware and identifies potential security vulnerabilities on your device. It also offers privacy protection features, such as an app lock, which safeguards sensitive information from unauthorized access. By cleaning junk files and enhancing security, Ora Security Cleaner ensures that your device not only performs well but also remains safe from digital threats. Express Cleaner. Express Cleaner stands out for its speed and efficiency in cleaning junk files. This app quickly identifies and deletes cache, temporary data, and other unnecessary files, allowing users to reclaim storage space with minimal effort. Its simple interface makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their technical expertise. Furthermore, Express Cleaner offers additional features like photo management, enabling users to sort and delete duplicate images, thus optimizing storage further. This app is ideal for users who value quick results and a hassle-free cleaning process. Thanks for watching! We hope this overview of Phone Cleaner Master, Ora Security Cleaner, and Express Cleaner has helped you understand how these apps can enhance your Android experience.